In this module, we review the steps to prepare the customer environment for monitoring. Review the shared responsibility matrix to understand responsibilities for the deployment of N-Central for CMMC compliance. Determine if a web application firewall is necessary for compliance with CMMC and ensure it is properly configured. Ensure all end devices in the customer's environment are FIPS enabled in the OS and that the operating system on each device enforces FIPS compliant cryptography. When the environment is secure and compliant according to CMMC requirements, there are several steps to ensure the customer's environment supports N-Central. Create a probe administrative account. Build the GPO policy. Configure DNS scavenging on the Windows server. Enable SNMP and SYSLOG. Install Windows Server Management software for hardware monitoring and install and set up SNMP. A Windows probe needs access to Windows functions to install the N-Central agent. Create an account in the customer's Active Directory with full domain administrator privileges. The probe requires domain administrator privileges to run discovery with WMI on the network, monitor WMI-based services on devices without agents, run scripting tasks on devices without agents, and run scheduled tasks and install agents on devices. A properly configured group policy may prevent a probe from detecting devices as other or unclassified. Enable recommends building a new GPO, specifically for deployment, to ensure proper identification of discovered devices. Set up DNS scavenging to find old DNS records. This tool removes DNS resources that are no longer valid. This step prevents DHCP-based environments from detecting duplicate devices when the same device has multiple DNS entries. Enable SNMP with read-only access on all network devices. Ensure SNMP is set to accept packets from the probe. Some devices require that SNMP is turned on in multiple locations, such as both administration and the LAN interface. The probe will act as a SYSLOG server. If you plan to monitor SYSLOG, point the SYSLOG output to the probe. The appropriate server management software is required on physical servers before installing Enable N-Central. Ensure the server meets CMMC requirements for encryption of data at rest and in transit. Please read the N-Central user guide for the list of supported monitoring software. Install and enable SNMP on Windows devices to collect information about customer devices to improve monitoring of device status.